guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to go ahead and try out the e.l.f. Beauty Shield mask. Yep. I've seen videos on it everywhere, and I wanted to try it for myself. So basically what this is, it is like a magnetic mask and comes with this spatula thing that will grab onto that magnetic mask and kind of just pull it off of your skin. Can I help you? My dog wants to be in the video. Hey, Rex. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Pretty. Ignore him. This combative mask is formulated with powerful magnetic properties and key antioxidants, carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors. The magnetic tool, it's called the magnetic tool, and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores, which your girl needs that. So let's see. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth makeup ready canvas. Ooh. Okay. Hashtag play beautifully. Directions. With the scoop side of the magnetic tool, apply mask to a clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Cover the head of the magnetic tool with one of the included magnet covers for mess-free mask removal. Awesome. To take mask off, hover the magnetic tool just above the surface of your skin and glide slowly. Discard cover after use. Recommended usage is 1 to 2 times a week. For best results, do not rinse off face with water. So let's go ahead and get into it and try this baby out. Oh, in the packaging, do you see how cool that looks? It's pretty cool. Okay, enough. Let's go. So let's open it up. Ta-da! Okay, so these are the covers that you want to use when you're taking off the mask. This is the magnetic tool. This is the part that we're going to be putting the mask on with. And this is how we're going to remove it. So basically, you put on the mask with the spatula side. And when you're ready to take it off, you are going to take one of these and place it on the magnet side. And then you're just going to hover it and it should do the trick. So let's go ahead and get to it. Cute little package. Here's me being dramatic. It actually wasn't hard to open. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. This looks so crazy too. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. Get my mirror too so I can see it. Oh my god, it didn't take anything off yet, but I felt my skin like move. Guys, the magnet on this was a lot stronger than I thought. Okay. Do you guys see that? Oh, this is so cool. I can hear it too. Oh. You guys, I can't describe the feeling I get on my skin. Oh my god. This is probably the best mask I've ever tried. This is crazy. This is so cool. Oh my god. So then I'm assuming once you know there's like no space, then you can just remove the cover and do another one. It comes with a few covers. Just, boop. And like, you guys, this magnet is no joke. I'm living my best life right now. This is so cool. Oh my god. I think the best feeling is when you're taking it off. Like, I can't describe. I almost feel like my skin is lifting in a way. I don't know. I can't describe it, but oh my god, I'm having so much fun with this. And then this mask, guys, I'll link it down below, but I believe it was like $24. Alright, so just like the instructions say, I did not wash my face. It feels smooth. And yeah, this was so much fun. I do think it's worth the $24. It just, I don't know, it has this feeling when you're taking it off. The application was really easy as well. My face feels instantly smooth. So yeah, I'm really liking this. I love how it feels. One thing, don't put it, obviously you avoid the eye area. I went a little bit higher up here. And it seems like the magnet, you can even see it, is located right in the center. So there's no magnet here on the edges. So it was kind of hard to try and get in there. So yeah, just, you know, avoid eye area. Especially like right under here. And it smells so good. It has this citrusy scent. I love it. I know some people like unscented stuff for their face. There is something about this that is just, I don't, oh, it's so calming and soothing to me. But that is it, guys. That is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. This was a really fun video for me. I didn't think I was going to like it this much, but I love it. It is so much fun, and I do feel instantly like my skin is so soft. I like it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, if you guys have any ideas for a video or anything else you guys want to see, comment down below, and have a great day, night, wherever you are and whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. These, I keep biting my tongue. I keep biting my tongue. Ow. So